Hi, and welcome back to the Sullivan County Animal Shelter. Today you get to meet some new furry friends. You will be meeting Nala, Andy, Annie, Daffodil, Thor, and Loki. This is Nala. She's a 1-year-old lab mix. She came to us as a stray about a month ago, and she is a sweetheart. She does get along with other... She likes to kiss on the lips. She gets along with other dogs. Come here, Nala. Nala is a big baby. Right here. She says no. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Bubba. Good girl. This is Annie and Andy. Annie is the female here on my lap, and then this is Andy, her brother. They are 6 months old, boxer mixes, extremely sweet and playful. They've been with us for a little while now, so they are definitely ready to get out of this place. They haven't been spayed or neutered yet, but hopefully with their adoption, that will be soon. They'll be spayed and neutered. They are current on their vaccines, and they've been dewormed. They do get along with other dogs. Not so sure about cats yet. All right, let's get you some toys. Look at that face. Look at that underbite. Go get it. Go get puppy. Go get puppy. She just wants to dance. You want to dance? Say, I just want to be loved. This is Daffodil. She is a 12-week-old hound, red-bone hound Pyrenees mix. She came in a litter of 3. Her mama was here as well. Her mama went to a really nice rescue. One of her litter mates were adopted, and there's herself and her little brother Copper that are left. She's just a big puppy. She will be pretty large. Her mama weighed maybe 60 pounds. I would guess she's gonna weigh a little bit more than her mom, but she's just a big sweetheart. She'd be a good indoor dog now, and then of course when she grows up, indoor, outdoor. There's your brother. You gonna play with brother? This is Thor and Loki. They are 7-month-old brothers that were surrendered to the shelter. They are very sweet. They get along with other cats. They have not been around dogs before, but they're very playful little guys. They would probably be better as indoor cats, not outdoor. And they are still a little bit scared. They haven't been here too awful long, so they're still a little afraid. Very, very lovable. Thank you again for viewing the animals here at the Blountville Animal Shelter. If you are interested in any of the ones that you've met today, please come see them at 380 Massengill Road, or you can give us a call at 279-2741. Thanks again. See you next week.